Only got time for the money, not for the honey. Only got time for the money. I ain't dummy. I'm dead. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here. I'm really gonna find something to do instead of that. As you can see, this look is being presented. Inspired by Rico Nasty. It was part of her tour though, and I just saw it and I was like, yes, the two-tone thing. I love two-tone, like the two different eyes. I love that look. So when she like did it, I was like, bro, I have to recreate that. I just made mine a little bit more wearable. I mean, obviously not everyone would wear this out, but I definitely would. Like, comment, subscribe, follow my Instagram, my Twitter. You can follow me on Facebook if you want. I don't get on, but that would be fun. All the products will be listed down below. Of course, like always, I upload new videos every Thursday. Tell everyone, your sisters, cousins, brothers, girlfriend about moi. If you would like to see how I got this Rico Nasty inspired makeup look, then just keep watching.
I'm not spitting that H2O2 clean. Choosing that cause be my routine. Be tripping the minutes I'm ruly. I might spit on your bitch if my mood mean. Majestic presence never settle for less, and I must confess that bitch I do this. I'm throwing over suckers drifting above dimensions while I'm steaming on ooh-wee. Your reverence, my presence so groovy. Or eat out of shells for my routine. My regiment come rockin', we knock on your block. Also watch how you pussy clap move, please. No else I so strap in my lack. Duck off the bacon, you know I can't lack. Pack in the front and launch here in the back. If I see them lights, your boy ain't coming back. I hope in my heart and my mind stay intact. Check on the traps, you know I'm my doggers, I can't have no rats. Stitches get whack, I can't sell them no pack. My videos on rest like a quarterback sack. Hit the Joe slow, girl, kiss on my flow. Baby, it's hot, and my words are like dope. Girl, hit the Joe slow, kiss on my flow. Baby, it's hot, and my words are like no. Booth bag, chopping, rust about that action. We can get it working, ain't no tapping with my village. Like, pull up in the lack, geeking to the slap. I'm vibing off the yak, I'm straight chilling, but I'm tripping, not to mention no L's. Booth bag, trapping, rust about that action. Ay, we can get it working, pussy tapping with my village. Ay, pull up in the lack, geeking to the slap. I'm vibing off the yak, I'm straight chilling, but I'm tripping, not to mention no L's, nigga.
They need to come on with the drama, whatever they gonna do. Other than that, fuck them. We ball.
Of the southeast with my Dominican. Booth bag tucking the copper so fresh and dingy, y'all. Cruising feeling groovy, though movement got my aura crewing. Big blessing chicks who be naked, but no time for the sex and so eclectic. Mind reckless, hope my sanity rest in peace and keep that peace. My lunch here for protection, and I kill BCIDE, use this flow as a reference. Mojo on fleek, so I roll him casting spells with my brethren. Boy, you too weak, only your G hunters hang in my section. Just leave your weed, we'll keep your busy to kick it like Tekken. You can't compete, man, even if you was ass, you can catch him. Ay, see me moving smoothly like some butter. Would you lucky, yeah? Switch up, hit the dance, do my dance, sucky now. I just want the rags for my cash like reciprocals. She just want a bag or a bag, and I'm not with it now. See me moving smoothly like some butter. Would you lucky, yeah? Switch up, hit the dash, do my dance, sucky now. I just want the rags for my cash like reciprocals. She just want a dad or a bag, and I'm not with it now. We so unruly, smoking doobies, ho toolies. You see me smoothly cruising, hang with my foolies, talk groovy movements. You niggas stupid, that hating get you removed, so move it like you King Julian. These ladies choosy, so clueless. This weirdo be the coolest, but I'm soaring. Would you lucky, yeah? Switch up, hit the dash, do my dance, sucky now. Just want the rags or them cash, I'm not, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, see me moving smoothly like some butter. Would you lucky, yeah? Switch up, hit the dash, do my dance, sucky now. I just want them rags, flip my cash like reciprocals. She just want a dad or a bag, and I'm not with it, nah. What? already know what the gig low be like. Shout out my nigga Free Mind. Just had to give y'all something to hold y'all niggas until Wicked Kiss Hello and Wizard Kelly. Little bitch. Sorry. Arranging my statements like paint and sodas is silly. So every time I say fuck you, you know the picture is vivid. You cannot hang with the saying, your power levels on Krillin. Maybe contrast, but surpass me is an illusion, no fiction. Biscuits ratchet, they yapping, asking me why I'm so trippy. Some extra rats in the apple, bet she gon' do like two with me. I can sense she was frontin' like when Pharrell featured Jay-Z. Told her blow me till I turned on, so she was so into gaming. Dip and dab, I splish and splash, I love Aquatical City. Frozen stash before I dash, know them my pockets be litty. Roll up some Doja style and stone and smoke on that, can you hear me? Dripping salsa, yet the juice like citrus fruits and I'm peeling. Minutes so active like hacky sackers, tryna bike in gymnastics for a crashing. Better bring your ratchets on my sides doing magic. Feeling savage, get around on casting, shred your bitch in the cabbage. Roll a fatty in my cloud and laughing as I sort to dynamics. Bitches feeling poke spitting, make your high ass hit the kitchen. Smoking on that, can you hear me? Now you nigga fucking with me. Niggas feeling poke spitting, make your high ass hit the kitchen. Smoking on that, can you hear me? Now you nigga fucking with me. Sorry. Yeah, y'all hear me? Yeah, y'all hear me? Y'all hear me? Yeah, y'all hear me? 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 Nigga, fuck! I told y'all once you couldn't fuck with me. What the fuck? You ain't hear me, nigga. I told y'all again, y'all can't fuck with us. You ain't hear me. Niggas be hearing they some something. Damn! Stupid ass niggas. Come at me, I'm trying, nigga. Y'all ain't fucking touching us on any level. Mentally, physically, any type of shit, nigga. We out here, all up in this motherfucking shit. Nigga, side sound, side, nigga. Fuck, man. Up at your neck, nigga. Gracious in my limb, nitro frozen, super fly, man, this chillin', so super saiyan. Word arrangements, weirdo gang be on pimpin', the doja smoking. Might just swerve off silly hoes on my nimbus, some friends that not me, but they flocking. Now I switch up dimensions, like listen, biscuit. Third eye vision, see right through your intentions. Bunch of ladies, so damn wavy, living life through your mentions. Just let me guide you like a GPS, that phrase of giving. My speed up on the chick, got the water whip, headed to the chips, looking crisp. I'm magnificent, tell her she the miss. With my kids, man, this hella trip. Potion got me bent, where the slip, as a candy flip. Where don't gain my speed up on the chin. Got the water whip, headed to the chips, looking crisp. I'm magnificent, tell her she dismissed. Drink my kids, man, this hella trip. Potion got me bent, where the slip, as a candy flip. Rooftop smoking on that power, I'm in my palace, potent poets, but that's the showers. In other words, the minutes raining, the groovy statement. Nigga mojo on Austin Powers, gliding through the stars like NASA, no bunk attachments, just my aura and magic. Chair fold you like a jacket, so hang it up. Messy niggas get hella damage. I roll up and boot up, re-rack it, then hit my dance token, gas up the back with package. Upgrade on my ladies like Digimon, pack or punch my baby while I'm steady stacking. Star rinky, sticky, fit on feces, yeah, wipe me down. I'm some charming like tissue pieces. Bitch, it be the groovy minutes, yeah, you can get it. Widow gang kicking like soccer beaches. Checking my dress in the trunk, race. Source to a grand study propane. Gassing like Chevron, I'm cocaine. Parking lot sip that she on me. Boot up, just made baby nosebleed. Grams on my balance, I told flame. No fraction, my faction, need whole dang. Groovy minutes, the word old gang. Big thumper, make a nigga, rubby baby, buggy bumper. She tall with her shit, my all way too jippy. I can't love her. Big thumper, make a nigga, rubber baby, buggy bumper. She tall with her shit, all way too jippy. I can't hear them. Got my speed up on the chick, that little water whip, headed to the chips, looking crisp. I'm magnificent, tell her she let me stick my kids, man, this hella trip. Potion got me bent, where the slip, pass it candy flip. Where don't gain my speed up on the chin, that little water whip, headed to the chips, looking magnificent. Tell her she dismissed, drink my kids, and this hella trip. Potion got me bent, where the slip, acid candy flip, the flip.